We're here at 3D Experience World 2020 at the playground, and I'm here at BOXX Technologies. I have a guest here, Phil.
How you doing?
Hey, good. How are you doing, Phil?
I'm doing great.
You enjoying the show so far?
So far, so good.
Awesome.
A lot of exciting stuff going on here.
Awesome. Tell us a little bit about BOXX Technologies.
Well, BOXX, we have been around for about 20 years. We design and build software, hardware based on your hardware workflow. So for example, Solidworks is a great example. This system right here is a liquid-cooled Core i9 processor running at 5 gigahertz across all frequencies,
Wow.
which makes your Solidworks workflow that much faster.
In this small little box like that?
Absolutely.
Oh my God.
This is actually the same machine that my friend Jason Pohl from Orange County Choppers uses to design these motorcycles.
Wow, you can fit all that into that little small form factor.
Absolutely.
That's amazing. So people can go to your website and they can buy this product, or
Yeah.
it sounds like it's customized.
We have pre-configured. You can choose processor, i7 or i9. You could choose memory. You could choose video cards, whatever needs for your workflow. If you do a lot of visualize, for example, we have another chassis over here that you could put multiple GPUs into if you need to.
Okay.
But that's what we do. We customize based on what your workflow is.
So it sounds like you have an automated sort of customizer on your website, which is...
It's called the configurator. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can walk in and you pick your technology, you pick your chassis size, and you can fill in whatever components you need.
Yeah.
We also have another section which is quick ship. So if you need something super quick, it's pre-configured, click a button and it ships the next day.
Okay. And what website is that?
It's www.boxx.com with two
BOXX.com.
X's.
Okay,
Yes.
2 X's, absolutely.
Right.
Right. So now we have the automated configurator, but I think you guys also can help me. Like if I have a specific need, I can access some other services from you, right?
Absolutely. We have a full team of solution specialists. You could call our sales team and they will ask you questions and find out exactly what your needs are, even if you don't know yourself. And they'll steer you to the right technology rather than just saying, hey, here's a workstation, go make it work.
Okay. Now we all know that SolidWorks is predominantly single core, and what we're looking for is like the highest, GPU speed, highest CPU speed that you can get.
Right.
And I know you said this is 5 gigahertz, but
Right.
I don't know if there's a 5 gigahertz CPU that you can buy, right?
No, there's not. We do professional overclocking. So
that's
when we
why,
design
okay.
and we build our chassis, built on SolidWorks, fabricated in Austin, Texas, and built in Austin, Texas, we design the cooling solution, the airflow, to get the most out of your technology spent. So not only normal turbo envelopes start at 5 gigahertz and then they'll drop down when you overclock,
Right.
but with what we do, we can contain that, we can do that across all 8 cores. So you're getting a solid 8 cores. So if you have
Wow.
to do anything other than that, maybe a visualize or something like that, you got the power and the headroom to be able to do it.
Man, that's a ton of performance. That's crazy. Well, thanks so much. Is there anything else about
Oh.
BOXX that you want to tell us
Yeah,
about?
why don't you come on over here?
Oh,
We've
yeah,
got a brand new
okay, here we go.
product. We're just releasing into the market. This is called Flex. And this is actually the power in that little workstation. I can put it in a rack mount system here. So I can have up to 10 of those in one 5U chassis for the data center. And if you want to, I'll show you. We designed this in SolidWorks. Here's what it actually looks like. So I pull out the node, like so. I place it up here, pop the cover off, and voila, we have an instant dual Xeon SP56 core.
Wow.
And that kind of a form factor.
Wow. So this is something you would put like in a server room somewhere, and you can
Exactly.
send this out to workstations in
Exactly.
your company, and that's
It could be a thin client, but these are all standalone workstation nodes. So you're not sacrificing power by being in the data center.
Wow, that's really awesome stuff. Well, cool. Thanks so much, Jeff, for showing
It was my
that to us.
pleasure.
Or
Thank you.
Phil, excuse me. Thank you so much for showing that to us.
Sure, it's our pleasure.
All right.